Over last few years, we have seen a number of, probiotic supplement companies and gut microbiome testing companies, upselling probiotic supplements with a hope to improve your metabolic health, digestive health, skin health, and many other health conditions. However, these supplements had a very limited success rate, right? And, there were questions as to their clinical validation, clinical efficacy, whether these supplements can survive the harsh stomach acid environment, whether these supplements are actually live at the time of ingestion, whether these supplements are actually, these strains are actually, sensitive to factors such as pH level, water, and moisture. However, even if you are taking these probiotics, these are not going to translate into beneficial functions, because, taking these probiotics is actually a half-baked stories. What matters is postbiotics. So postbiotics is nothing but the metabolic byproducts produced by your microbiome, by your gut and oral microbiome when they interact with various foods, ingredients, molecules you consume, and even supplements you consume, right? So these depends upon whether certain bacteria are active, expressing certain genes which is coding for certain proteins to produce these, metabolic byproducts. So some of these metabolic byproducts I'm going to discuss today. So first is butyrate. So we all know the gut microbiome produces butyrate when you consume a lot of dietary fiber, and butyrate plays a key role in regulating your, satiety, in regulating your blood sugar levels. Second is C15, which is pentadecanoic acid. So again, your gut bacteria could, metabolize inulin into C15, which has very beneficial role in strengthening, and maintaining the structure and fluidity of your cell membrane, right? Then we have ursolinic acid derivatives, which play a key role in suppressing the growth and proliferation of, cancer cells. Then we have something called urolithin, which is, produced by your gut microbiome when they metabolize ellagic acid found in pomegranates, right? So again, this urolithin can actually, stimulate your mitochondrial biogenesis, promote your mitochondrial health, It also could, improve your muscle mass and improve your VO2 max, right? Then we have something called equol. Now, equol is a byproduct, metabolic byproduct of the gut bacteria when they metabolize soy isoflavone, and it has a similar estrogen-related effect, and it is really beneficial for women in the perimenopause phase. So, it is very important to understand whether your gut bacteria, your oral bacteria is actually active and producing these metabolites, which have numerous beneficial effects. So focus on, your postbiotics rather than, probiotics.